Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you're getting the Unarc.dll error code 11, you're in the right place. So today I'll show you 3 easy fixes to resolve the issue and get your game or app running smoothly again. Let's get started. So the first fix is simple. You can just reinstall the program that's causing the error, and this will ensure that the necessary files, including the Unarc.dll, are installed correctly. And step 2, you can just update or reinstall your Visual C++ redistributable packages. And you can these packages are crucial for running certain applications, and a missing or outdated version might trigger this error. So you can just open the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page. This one, you can just search on the browser and make sure that it's all from the official website. Once installed, you can just restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. And for the third fix, we'll run a system file checker or SFC scan. So this tool will scan and fix any corrupted system files that may be causing the error. And next, you can also check your disk for error, but this is optional. So if the problem persists, you can also check your hard drive for errors. Sometimes bad sectors on the disk can cause DLL related issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should help you resolve the Unarc.dll error code 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!